Nonprofits, listen to these survey results. 66% of people are reporting an increase in their stress level since the pandemic hit in March. In addition, 44% of people now working from home say their mental health has declined. Hi there, I'm Nancy Reeves, your fundraising coach. I offer nonprofit leaders a roadmap to raise money through major gifts. Fundraisers are not immune to feeling stressed. You may have children at home or other family members also working remotely. Certainly, that means schedules are upside down and balancing a new work style is challenging. Furthermore, determining how often to communicate with your boss, coworkers, or board members is trying. On top of that, you are trying to figure out the best way to engage with donors. As fundraisers, we like seeing people in person. That energizes us and makes us feel more connected, especially with our donors, whose passion ignites us and reminds us of why we do what we do. The bottom line is you're likely exhausted, frustrated, overwhelmed, and frazzled. So what can we do as fundraisers as we navigate this crisis, find a new normal, and get back on track to being less stressed and more productive during the day? Here are 4 suggestions to stay focused and be productive in your work life. Number 1, plan your day. Before you go to bed each night, establish your top 3 goals for the next day. That way, you wake up the next morning knowing what your day will look like. It may be an important call with a donor, a proposal to get outlined, or a budget to review. Set your priorities before each day begins. Number 2, tackle biggest priorities first. Remember Stephen Covey's book, First Things First? With his introducing us to the urgency addiction, he provides a framework for deciding whether or not a task is urgent and important. It's a 2x2 matrix. This is your guide in determining where to spend your time. Number 3, close your computer. It's important to limit your work hours. When you work from home, your work hours run into your personal time. That's not a good habit. To get a handle on your work hours, first acknowledge that it's happening. Let your staff know you will be closing down and signing off from work each night. Second, tell your family your work schedule and your plans to strictly adhere to the schedule. No matter how much you love your job and believe in the mission, overworking does not serve you well. I had a wonderful career in fundraising. When I look back, I wish I had dedicated fewer hours to work. It is true that grit, determination, and persistence bring success. But if I could go back and give my younger self advice, I would say to remove activities that are not important to work, activities not supporting the mission in big ways. Next, not saying yes to projects just because I wanted to be collaborative or please someone. And last, not trying to do it all at once. To put it simply, know what's important and do what's important. That does not necessarily mean working long hours at work. Number 4 and last, default to over-communicate. In this same survey, 38% of people responded their company has not even asked them if they are doing okay since the pandemic. This means a lot of bosses are not tuned in to their direct reports' stress level and well-being. They are not likely good at keeping team members informed, not managing information, questions, and feedback. If this is the case with you, you want to be transparent about your situation. Let your boss know if you need stronger communications from them or the team. Maybe you lack information or resources to be productive. Whatever the reason why you have work stoppage, be transparent and communicate this with your boss. In summary, we're simply burned out. Let's make some changes. Let's focus each day on our top priorities, set a work schedule and stick with it, and certainly let our boss know where we need help if we are feeling stressed, overwhelmed, and unproductive. I hope you found this valuable. If so, please like it, share it, comment, tell others about it. Also, to receive the download of my free Major Gift Fundraising Plan template, simply click here or go to fundraisingmaximize.com. 2, select Get Free Plan on the bright green button. 3, download your free fundraising plan. Check it out. I look forward to seeing you next time.